Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. You know, this Child's Online Privacy Protection Act might actually be good for me. I mean, I've got 25 subscribers. Now, someone's going to have to watch my videos. I might actually get some viewership. Thank you, Federal Trade Commission. I hope you enjoy the videos. I attempt to be humorous because there's no way I'm going to educate anyone, because A, not too many people capable of uptaking education lately, and B, people want to say the word teach immediately. Teach and kids, they go together, and your channel goes goodbye. So I ain't teaching shit. If you learn anything watching any of my videos, it's your fault, not mine.